Hummingbirds are among the smallest birds in the world. The bee hummingbird, found in Cuba, is the smallest, measuring about 2.25 inches long and weighing less than 2 grams. Hummingbirds can beat their wings incredibly fast, typically between 50 to 80 times per second. This rapid wing movement allows them to hover in place and fly in all directions, including backward. Due to their high-energy flight, hummingbirds have an extremely fast metabolism. They need to eat frequently, consuming about half their body weight in nectar each day and feeding every 10-15 minutes. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can hover in midair. They can also fly backwards, forwards, and sideways, thanks to their unique wing structure and muscle arrangement. Some hummingbird species, like the ruby-throated hummingbird, migrate long distances. They can travel up to 3,000 miles from their breeding grounds in North America to their wintering grounds in Central America, often flying non-stop across the Gulf of Mexico. The vibrant colors of hummingbird feathers are not due to pigments, but to microscopic platelets that reflect light. This structural coloration gives them their iridescent, shimmering appearance. A hummingbird's heart rate is incredibly high, often exceeding 1,200 beats per minute. This fast heartbeat helps support their intense energy demands and high metabolism. Hummingbirds are highly intelligent and have excellent memories. They can remember the locations of individual flowers and feeders. They are also territorial and will aggressively defend their feeding areas from other hummingbirds and insects.